My poor, sad Pennywise. So many years. So much wear and tear out in the weather. He needs a redo. He is the final touch for the yard display. I'm going to find some creative ways to reuse junk. For instance, all of these packages from Walmart and or Amazon deliveries, also Walmart and or Amazon deliveries, to fluff him back up, make him happier, make him smile again. Sorry, getting kind of, you okay there, Moo? Yeah, Mama was getting a little spooky there. Sorry, Pennywise. Oh, he likes it. So we need to put him back together again. Look at this. He is in really rough shape. We found him in the dumpsters, probably the Spirit Halloween store dumpster, years and years and years ago, and he has always been spookily but prominently displayed out here in the vines. Very much exposed to weather, but such a fun thing, but such a fun element for trick-or-treaters leaving the house to see staring at them with a spotlight as they leave. Now, as the frugal mama, I am of course not going to go and buy a new one. I am going to do absolutely everything I can to put my poor Pennywise back together for yet another fabulous year. He is an icon, he is a tradition, he is needed. And now, frugal friends, just imagine him when the fog is going and it's full dark. You've just gotten your trick-or-treating done, your candy from a very kindly old witch named Julie. And then